Hey, what is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in again. This is your host for Passive Earnings. Today, in this video, as you guys can see from the title of this video, I really wanted to get some input from you guys. My portfolio currently stands at close to $160,000, um, with almost one third of it in cash, more than one third actually. So $55,000, close to $55,000, I'm sitting in with cash. Part of it, I have QQQ, my biggest three positions. One is QQQ, the NASDAQ 100 ETF, that has a portfolio diversity of 48%. And then I have 509 shares of SCHD, with 37.83% portfolio diversity. And the third biggest investment that I have is also in QQQM. QQQM is a spin-off of QQQ, so I have close to 5.83 uh, portfolio diversity there as well. Now the portfolio that I'm trying to build will have another backbone ETF, which is my core ETF SPY. So I have set up an auto recurring investment of $110 for every single business day when market is open, and then I'm collecting these dividends as well, and then I'll be reinvesting these dividends, including this $110 every single day, plus the investment that I've been doing. If you go down here, you'll see that I've been buying um, other selling cash secured put on other stocks, and then buying some more of SPY. So say for example $55 here that you see was not out of my pocket, but something cash secured put that I sold and invested that cash premium in SPY. Same goes for here. Here I generated $209 and I bought 0.38 shares of SPY on that day. Same goes here, here, and anywhere where you see a difference other than a buy order of $110 is where I have invested the money or the premium that I generated from selling cash secured put. So all of this is not from my pocket, but instead this is all coming from the from selling cash secured put. So now the question that I wanted to ask you guys is that what do you guys think about um, JEPQ? So I have JEPQ. If you are not sure of what JEPQ is, it's a high income ETF, close to giving 9% dividend yield, which is close to 1% every single month. What is happening here is I don't have any of JEPQ, as you guys can see in here, any of JEPQ ETF in this portfolio, but I have it in my long term, or you can call it the retirement portfolio, the Roth IRAs, and my retirement other taxable account that I have that I don't show on this channel. Like even the quality ETFs like SCHD cannot compare with this high yield of 9%, which is almost three times as much as what SCHD is paying. And then look at the price appreciation. In year to date, it has appreciated close to 11%. Over 1 year period, it has appreciated close to 15%. Since its inception, it went down from $50 to $40.80, and now it's up almost 10% since inception, which was May of 2022. Since the year 2022 was a bearish year, most of the stock market S&P 500 was down 18%, and NASDAQ QQQ was down close to 35%. Compared to that, this fall is nothing. From even like half of what actual underlying Nasdaq ETF dropped. So it Nasdaq ETF dropped to 36%, whereas this ETF dropped only by 19%, which is half of what the underlying ETF dropped. So, and then it also shows a great appreciation. Of course, it is not as appreciated as the underlying ETF, which is QQQ, which I hold close to more than 50% of my position, of my non-cash position. But um, this is looking really sweet, and they have just announced another dividend for this month of July, which came out as cash, which is close to $55,000. If I were to buy a JEPQ of $55,000, so let's say um, that we come here and we buy $55,000 worth of uh, JEPQ. It's gonna give us close to 1,000 shares, which we will round off with 1,000 shares. So, say for example, 1,000 shares that it give today, the latest dividends that it provided, and it again, like, it pays daily monthly dividends. So this month's dividend is 42 cents, which is little less than the last 3 months, but little it's about the it's about on par, I would say. So 42 cents per share on 1,000 shares, if I buy today, would be generating me close to $420 every single month without lifting a finger. And that's really what I'm thinking. Should I be doing it, or because it's really hands off, and then it does appreciate, as well as you guys can see. Or should I be keep investing the $110 as I am in SPY, because it's a broader index fund, S&P 500. So this is the question that I'm asking myself, and I wanted to ask you guys as well. But it's a big amount of money that I need to spend. So if I were to spend in lump sum amount, then I'll be generating over $400 in dividends from JEPQ, and then um, I am generating over $100 per month on average from SCHD as well. Um, this quarter we generated $420, which comes out to be more than 100 and I think $130, more than $130 for a month. And then again, like, going back to JEPQ, 420, so that'll be $550 every single month without lifting a finger, and appreciation of a stock as well. This is, I think, not a bad idea. I just am not sure if I should diversify on SPY, or should I stick with JEPQ and the positions that I have with QQQ. That's about it. I wanted to give you guys update on my portfolio, and also ask you guys any for an input. If you guys have any idea or suggestion, leave me a comment below. Or if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.